Second day will be our tamad day. Magpapahinga lang kami after ng brunch. Wow, it's a gloomy, sunny weather. Ganda oh, lamig sa labas. Okay guys, so kagabi habang naglalakad kami sa center sa may Big Ben side. Grabe, first things first, nakakita ako agad ng store ng bili ng mga anak ko is Prime Drink. Kasi napapanood din na sa YouTube. And the Beast Chocolates. Nakakaloka. Short story lang. So, meron siyang Quinoa Crunch. Grabe to si Mr. Beast, no? Ito yung billion subscribers na yata. Ito, meron siyang milk chocolate with puffed rice. The These Nuts, ito sabi ni Harper, can you buy us These Nuts? Tag-isa kaming tatlo kasi favorite. Ito daw yung pinaka-bestseller, yung These Nuts. Sabi ni Harper and Kalel. Dahil gusto niya daw tig-isa sila ng These Nuts. Chocolate sea salt. Actually, masasarap yung flavor. Tsaka original chocolate. So, may yung original chocolate, tsaka yung milk chocolate, magkaiba pa siya. Bongga ni Mr. Beast, no? Kasi nabubudol niya talaga yung mga bata. Tsaka siya yung namimigay ng pera sa YouTube, no? Super yaman niya na. Tapos, ayun, sobrang happy. Kasi nga, ito lang yung bili nila. Sana, iha-hand carry ko siya para hindi siya mabasag. More moms, more prices, more beast. Ah, okay. So, i-scan mo pala siya dito. Tapos magpapaprice. Kaya paano mo naman makukuha yung price ni Mr. Beast? Weird, but it's okay. I'm so happy na nakakuha ako agad. At least hindi na ako ma-stress. Kasi sabi nung tindero doon, they're the only place na nagbebenta nun sa London. Kasi di ba sa Amerika yata to galing. Tama ba? Tigasan ba si Mr. Beast? Ewan ko, basta yun. And then, I got this Cadbury Gold. Dito lang to binibenta sa UK daw. Wala daw nito sa iba. It's gold in UK. Yes, in London. Masarap yan. Natikman na namin yung kahapon. So, there.
Do you remember the night that we were talking and we asked about that?
Tagal? Unti lang. Good morning! It's our day 2 in London!
Is it day 2?
And here with me, our Gakonatics. Mac Cardona, official na wala nang motivation mag-vlog. Ang dami nag-anong sa'yo, ba't wala ka na daw vlog? And then si Jerwin Gakonatics, tuloy-tuloy ang vlog sa London? Tuloy-tuloy? Okay. And of course, Mr. Amazing, PBA Moto Club, kung bakit nyo kami pinafollow ay dahil dito. Dahil siya ang nag-umpisa ang magpakalala lahat. Mario Ho Forever. Thank you guys, and we'll show you more of London. Life is just starting. We have 13 days left here in Europe.
Is it?
And we love the weather. It's gloomy and sunny.
Makulimlim.
Gloosny day today.
Makulimlim day sa Tagalog.
Makulimlim. Okay. That's it. Breakfast buffet. Ito nga palang aircon namin dito, guys. Sobrang lamig dito, guys. Tulog na tulog to. Kain tulog. Good morning! It's our day 3 and it's game time today. Amazing po. Hello! See you later! Ito yung mga kababayan natin dito. Nanonood ko na. PBA Moto Club at Mayor Ho Forever. Yay! See you later!
Kompleto po kami dun. Hi, Mayor Ho Forever.
Mayor Ho Forever! Cute. Yay! Ang ganda naman ng coaster natin. Ang haba. Woo! It's game time! Let's go! Wala magpapatalo!
1 hour yan, no?
Okay, so 1 hour ang biyahe. Bakit gano'n, Mr.?
Sara nyo!
May araw.
Katie!
Hindi ka Pilipinas. Parang ayaw mo ako sanay.
We are here! Dun, 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 dun.
Ano ka na ba nito? Mamaya po. Ha? Gaganto mo, tapos ikot mo lang.
Wow, may nagbo-boat. Ang cute!
Okay? Ah, tayo. Sige, mamaya.
Blazer Day! Hi, Isa! She's the sister of Bianca. Ganda, I love it. Oh, see you! Wait lang. Yay! 6 years? Hindi ba kayo net? 7 ang mga anak natin. How is it like?
the showdown between the PBA Monogram and the Good Boys London City. Ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, we will be welcoming.
Thank you to mga sponsors!
Amazing kumanta! And Mr. Paul.
Kinakabahan na po.
Singing monogram. Bradley Care. Party Fiesta Hanslow. Of course, we have the director, present right now. Thank you so much.
Ano? Arkok siya.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Arkok siya.
don't breathe. It's going to be. You have to answer my question. Oh. Yeah, please, everyone. We have a couple of minutes, please. We have a game due next year.
Amelie and Isabel and Amelie. So, sarap na miss ko baby Kunso ko. Dalawang baby girl ko. Na-miss ko ang Ate Harper at maybe sorry. Naku, magsiselos yung sarili pag nakita ko. Hello everyone, this is my friend Isabella and I'm Tita Jack. And what can you say? Where are you from, Isabella?
I'm from Mommy's house.
Okay, how old are you, Isabella?
I'm 3.
What's your full name? Do you know your full name? Huh?
Isabella.
Who's your favorite cartoon character? Huh?
Mommy and Dad.
You're so cute! She's the daughter of Banks Garcia. She's the youngest daughter of Banks. And she is the cutest. OMG, I love this girl so much. Can I bring you to the Philippines? Do you want to go with me in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Okay, you ask your mommy. Nakakatawa bata. Where's mommy? She's gone. Where's your mom? Can you ask Tito Rico? You ask Tito Rico if you can go with us in the Philippines. You ask Tito Rico. You talk to her like a Peppa Pig. You love Peppa Pig? Huh?
I have Papa Pig too.
Oh, me too. I love Peppa Pig. Oh, this is so good. Oh my goodness.
Thank you so much,
Oh, ate, one rice also, ate. Kanin.